We're going to turn a static cover into a moving clip using AI tools. Select the AI model, load the cover as first frame. Use 1.1 for covers, format auto adjusts. Take the next step and design a good prompt that allows us to create our animation. Refine it by highlighting atmosphere, camera, appeal, and a touch of magic. Set the duration and generate your video. Send your video to the editor to wrap it up. Select your text, change the font, and add a clean animation to match your theme. Open the Freepik Tunes gallery, preview your options, and select the music that fits, or upload your own track. Now it's ready to shine on any screen.